Once upon a time, in the land where the earth kisses the sky at the horizon, there lived a wise and powerful Orisha named Obatala, the ruler of the heavens and the giver of life. He is the sky father and the creator of human bodies, which were brought to life by Olodumare's smooth breath. Obatala is the father of all Orishas and the owner of all Ori and our mind. His eyes were the sun and moon, and his breath the wind that danced across the land of the Yoruba people. He is a saint among saints, the archetypal spirit of creativity, and the patron of children, childbirth, albinos, and anyone with a birthmark. In the new world, as in the old, it is said Obatala marks his children. In the heart of the Yoruba kingdom, there was a sacred grove where the spirit of nature dwelled, and it was here that Obatala decided to bestow a gift upon the people, a gift of twins born of the Orisha Yemoja, the mother of water and fertility. These twins, named Taiwo and Kehinde, were born with a unique bond, one that connected them to the very essence of life and death. Taiwo, the first to taste the air of the world, was born with the spirit of Ayanmo, the path of destiny that all must walk. It was the embodiment of the day of life and of the joy that sunlight brings. Kehinde, following his brother, was touched by Kadara, the faith that weaves through the darkness, guiding the stars and the mysteries of the night. As they grew, their paths diverged, as was the will of Olorun. Taiwo became a farmer, sowing seeds that blossomed with the morning light, while Kehinde became a hunter, his arrows swift and true under the moon's silent gaze. Yet, despite their different paths, they remained connected, for each twins knew that his strength lay in the balance of their dual nature. One day, a great calamity befell the kingdom. A darkness spread across the land, wilting crops and silencing the animals. The people were afraid, for it seemed that the balance of life had been disrupted. In their despair, they turned to Taiwo and Kehinde, the sons of Yemoja, for help. The twins consulted Ifa oracle, seeking the wisdom of their ancestors. The oracle revealed that the darkness was the result of an imbalance between the forces of Ayanmo and Kadara. To restore harmony, Taiwo and Kehinde had to perform a sacred ritual. Under the guidance of the Orisha Eshu, the twins embarked on a journey to the four corners of the kingdom, gathering the elements needed for the ritual. The fire from the forge of Ogun, the iron Orisha, the water from Yemoja's own river, the air from the breath of Oya, the tempest Orisha, and the earth from the fields blessed by Orunmila, the Orisha of wisdom. With the elements gathered, Taiwo and Kehinde stood at the center of the sacred grove, beneath the ancient Iroko tree, the tree of life. They began the ritual, calling upon the power of Obatala. As they chanted, the elements swirled around them. Fire and water, air and earth, day and night, destiny and fate. And then a miracle occurred. The darkness lifted and the balance was restored. The crops grew once more and the animals sang. The people rejoiced, for Taiwo and Kehinde had shown them the power of unity, the strength in embracing both Ayanmo and Kadara. From that day on, the twins were honored as heroes. Their story passed down through generations as a folk tale that reminds the Yoruba people of the importance of balance, of respecting both the light and the dark, and of the eternal bond between brothers. And so, the tale of Taiwo and Kehinde became a cornerstone of Yoruba spirituality, a folk that wove itself into the fabric of their culture, teaching the values of harmony, respect, and the sacred nature of life dual path. This story was written by Reuben Odubako. I am Omoumi Jimo. Bye.